Here I have Vivo X80 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow-mo, then tap on this on this middle icon here, and here you can change its frames per second. So like the more frames you have, the slower will be the slow motion. So like when you have 120 FPS, it will be like normal, but when you have 480 FPS, it will be like extremely slow, like the slowest slow-mo you've seen in your life. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.